Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Nothing Ears. You have to start by open the application, now go to controls and let's work with the left one. So for a double pitch I prefer to leave skip forward, it means to play next track, but if you want to change it you can change it here. With triple the same, I prefer to leave it here, but if you want to you can change it. For a pitch and hold the same, volume down, it's okay, I'm trying and it worked good. Double, like press and then press and hold, I prefer to use voice assistant on it, but you can also change it to volume down or volume up, how it will be the best one for you. Now let's go here. So for the right one, for the double tap, I prefer to leave the same, the double play next track. For the triple one, skip back, it means to play previous track. And for the press and hold volume up, so we have volume down right here and we can leave volume up here, but also if you want to you can change it. Press and then press and hold, I prefer to again use voice assistant here, it's okay. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, the last one. If you don't like what you make, you can just click reset and it resetting. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.